I can't believe you said that to me. I can't believe you said that to me. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. You don't need to do that for me. You don't need to do that for me. I need you to tell me the truth. I need you to tell me the truth. Can you close the door, please? Can you close the door, please? I already miss you so much. I already miss you so much. That was really disappointing. That was really disappointing. I think I will need some help. I think I will need some help. We'll try again later. We'll try again later. You don't look very well. You don't look very well. Excuse me, I need to leave. Excuse me, I need to leave. What are you going to do on the weekend? What are you going to do on the weekend? I'll be there in a couple of hours. I'll be there in a couple of hours. How can I get to the airport, please? How can I get to the airport, please? Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. Oh my God, that's fantastic news. Oh my God, that's fantastic news. I'll see you later then. I'll see you later then. Thanks for watching and sharing this video. Thanks for watching and sharing this video. I hope you can speak English very soon. I hope you can speak English very soon.